Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday was a big day here for me. Had a brand new Eisen 13x40GHE lathe delivered. I did the initial unboxing here. The bases were in these boxes, big boxes, and they were all strapped to the top of this crate, which was over the top of the lathe. Really looking forward to this lathe. The gearbox on here and just all controls. I think they're going to be really nice. I watched several videos on this. In fact, to get into the same type of gearbox here in the Precision Matthews lathe, you had to go with their pretty high end. I think it was their 14-inch. But I'll see how it all works. I'm looking forward to it. Came complete with the 3-jaw installed. It also has the digital readout, 2-axis, steady rest. Also came with a follower rest in this toolbox. Change gears, and down below is a steady rest. Touch up paint. And I'll get this dug out and cleaned up on my next video. Faceplate. And also came with a 4-jaw. I didn't have to go looking. So they look like they're pretty good quality. I'll find out. What I'm working on now was trying to figure out how I wanted to level this. It came with simple jacking bolts here that are threaded in the bottom here with the locking nut. I didn't really want this just on the floor or just on some steel plates. So what I came up with were some plastic pads. And this plastic I had left over from another project. You can actually get this from Amazon. It's called an HDPE plastic. This is 3/4 inch thick that I cut on my table saw 2x2. Be careful when you cut it. This stuff will kick back easy if you really don't have a good hold on it. So I set up my Forstner bit, 1.1 and countersunk some holes to hold these discs. This is 1.1 round stock, and I drilled a dimple in each one. Get the focus on it here. And then I also ground a drill bit, and I didn't want quite as steep an angle on this, so it's kind of a shallower angle, and that pretty much matches what I ground on the bottom of the bolts. So I'm thinking that'll work nicely. These will set right in here. And this plastic should act as a dampener for the lathe base. I'm not bolting it down, so that is the plan. So I'm looking forward to getting this all set up. I've got my wiring run in, my conduit, and I think this is going to be just a great addition. I'm very excited to get this thing running and actually make some parts. My only regret is I did not buy this 10, 15, 20 years ago, even though I was a machinist and I had access to machines. It's so nice to have it in your shop available. And in the future, I plan to also get a mill, hoping to set the mill right here, and the lathe is going to go right here. Have it wired in. So looking forward to that. So thanks for watching, and another video hopefully coming not too far out.